Welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. Today I'm here to guide you through resolving the "you have not verified your Apple Idaho" issue. If you're encountering this problem with your Apple Idaho and need to verify it, stick with me as I walk you through the solution. Let's dive right in without any delays. First and foremost, ensure you're connected to a stable internet connection. If not, connect to one before proceeding. Next, navigate back to your settings. Once you're in Settings, locate and click on your Apple Idaho name. From there, select the Sign In and Security option. This may take a moment, so be patient as it loads. Now, within the Sign In and Security section, take a moment to review your email address. If it's not verified, proceed to verify it. Additionally, enable two-factor authentication and verify your phone number associated with your Apple ID. Lastly, ensure that automatic verification is turned on. Once you've completed these steps, your issue should be resolved. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the problem with your Apple Idaho verification. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you for watching.